What? Can you teach me how to duck it?
Hi guys, one of the best breakfasts or food for the day, smoothie. Check it out. Now let me see what we got in here. We got nuts, almond
nuts,
grapes. Lift it up a bit.
bananas,
strawberry, oranges. And as we can see, if we pull back a bit, these are the ingredients that's gone into that smoothie. This is mine, of course. I'm partly through it. Now, you might be asking, why are we showing fruities for the day? The importance of having a healthy diet, imperative. Now, honey, can you grab me my secret bitty up there, please? Now, these are very important ingredients that part of life. Creating fortune, it's no good to you if you can't even, if your body can't handle any of the good part of life. Creating fortunes, as we have noticed, is moderation. Now, a bit of this has gone into my smoothie. Not
a capful.
Yeah, just a capful, indeed. Isn't that beautiful, isn't it? Isn't that absolutely fantastic? And all these ingredients we can use today for great food. And if you have a look at this, watermelon, rock melon, pawpaw, variety, absolutely full of variety. And these are the nutrients, the ingredients that we need in our body every day. Now, imagine this, for example. Just take this two. Let's take these two, for example. Now, our body can digest this, easy, no problem, okay? Think about it. But what if it's already helping the digestive system by breaking it down with what it's called NutriBullets?
Magic bullets.
Or magic bullet? You know, that is the most amazing thing that we have in this modern society. Though our tummy can produce and digest these quite easily, imagine helping our digestive system to do it without too much hassle. Now, if our digestive system is not working too hard to digest this, to munch it down, just imagine this machine who crunches it down for us.
Smooths it down for us.
Our stomach is working hard to break it down to this level. Now, you might be saying, yes, so think about it. Energy. If your body is not taking that much energy to power up to digest this, because you have helped it with a machine, that energy can be used to developing huge fortunes. See, this is what today is all about. Today is about how you can save your energy, use modern tools to help your tummy to digest. Now, modern tools is exciting thing. Now, there are modern tools also to help us create great fortunes, just like these two examples that I have shown you. Most of us probably don't trust it. It don't matter. It's already in existence. So everything that is in existence, God has allowed it for purpose. Take advantage of it. But anyway, don't forget, below this video, subscribe to our links to get some more of these helpful hints. And of course, buy some products that's on our link. You buy it, it helps us. But anyway, you have a happy new year. This is Lilly
from New Woman.
And Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune. Catch you in our next video. God bless you. Stay away from scam. We love you.